A friend sent us this fleece ring thingy for the new cage. I was fairly certain that this thing was not going to be a big hit with my Frady cat, but I put him in his new cage with it, and he's not yet full-time in the new cage, and then put him on the perch next to it. I left him alone for 30 minutes, and I have 30 minutes of video that looks exactly like this. He doesn't move. So I then placed him in the ring. He wasn't crazy about the situation, but he wasn't panicked either. He's looking for a way out, but I'm pretty encouraged by his calm demeanor and his willingness to touch and to bite and to tug at the strips of fleece. For him, this is pretty brave. In a later session, we tried again, and again he wasn't panicked, but without me placing him in the ring, he shows no interest in going in. I decided it was time to bring in Mr. Thumb to assist. Mr. Thumb is one of his best friends in all the world. All in all, of the different toys and perches and food dishes and everything we've tried new, this is pretty much the quickest I've seen him actually get into something, not be terrified of it, especially something this big. So I'm pretty encouraged that this is going to become a favorite of his.